Hi, in this e-tutorial, I'm going to show you how to prepare your tax com. Always come to the menu, under this company, data entry, look for the clients, look for the YA, and look for the worksheet. Firstly, for a new client, you need to create the business activity. This is how you create. You always get a new worksheet over in here. The income source, we select for business. If this business activity is the main business, always click on the button. And this is where you're going to look for your business code. Okay, from time to time, we will update the business code whenever there is any changes. Sometimes you can actually look for some search code, for instance. Alright, I can select. Okay, and very important part under the worksheet, you must select a worksheet from the system. Currently, these are the worksheets available. HKPC1 for those general and partnership business. HKPC2 is the pioneer business. HKPC4 for those business enjoying the ITA, investment tax allowance, as well as for those enjoying the RA, reinvestment allowance. We do have the HKPC10A, the MSC status, the investment holding. Okay, upon your selection of the worksheet, just click on the submit button and you have got your business ready. Next, just click on the business, and these are the information that is required to complete on your tax computation. Firstly, we go to the HK. On this field, just key in whichever is applicable. If let's say there is any unresolved losses brought forward, just key in for once. Any unutilized, it will roll over to next year. As for notes to account, this is where you're going to prepare your analysis of your expenses. When you reach out to here, come to the add new note, give the note number, once you created the note, just click on the note and just key in the detail of your expenses. Okay, if let's say you have a second note on here, again on the advertisement, key in note number 2. And happen this is the add back item, apply on the S39 and click on the submit button. Okay, once you have completed, just click submit. You will back to here and you will always be notified what is the total expenditure, the detailed amount, what is the add back item, and then you just go for the submit. As for those items which is the disallowable expenses, when you prepare under the notes to account, okay, please remember to update this S39 button. Okay, once you update the button, when you come to the disallowable add back item, your item will be ready, and this is linked from your notes to account. Also under the disallowable here, you can actually select for the disallowable expenses where you wish to manually key in, or there are some item selection which include your disallowable loss, non-taxable gain, chargeable gain not in P&L, allowable expenses not in P&L, or you can actually have the claim or deduction over in here, and the claim type you can select whether it's special, further or double deduction, and all the information is different for your selection from here. Next, we will have another e-tutorial to teach you how to create your this asset listing and how to do the importing from your CSV or Excel format into the software. So we will get another e-tutorial for you. So coming up, if let's say you have any dividend income, this is where you key in the dividend income information, whereby this is for the rental income. Okay, just remember, always bear in mind, for you to add a new data entry, this is always where you're going to click on. Okay, after you key in the information, just click on the submit. Alright. Next, this is your interest restriction and the interest income. Okay, so you always come to the add new interest here and you look for interest income. So this is the list that you can select, the default listing, like your interest income is from your FD or from others or from your director. Let's take the fixed deposit. Let's put in the figure. Okay. If let's say you have a new interest to calculate the interest restriction, the expenses. Okay, when you come to here, this is automatically applied as yearly. Okay, you go for the interest expenses. You select the overdraft or your loan or others. For instance, I just put the overdraft and I put a 1,000. Okay, so I've created one interest income and one interest expenses. If let's say you would like to calculate your interest expenses in monthly basis, this is where you go. And from here you will be seeing this is the information that you require to key in order to prepare your interest restriction under monthly basis. Next, this is the other 110. You have the other 110, section 132 or 133. This is where you can key in. Okay? And we will reach out to the other income. You have any information or any data on the other income, this is where you're going to key in. We just completed our worksheet section. For subscribe, please click on the link. Please visit our website or our social media. Thanks for watching this video.